Mangoes. Mangoes are so yummy. Mango is usually a summer fruit, but I decided to make mango mousse cake right now. Mango tastes so yummy, especially if they are from my country, which is Pakistan. Pakistan has one of the best mangoes in the world, and it has so many kinds of mangoes, and they all taste so yummy and delicious. So I decided to make a mango mousse cake in winter. I know mango is a summer fruit, but I really wanted to try this mango mousse cake for so long. So let's get started. To make a mango mousse cake, first you need to make the base of the mango cake, which is a cake part. So to make this cake part, I'm making the cake and I'm taking this recipe and I'm making it from scratch. So let's start. You're going to take 4 eggs, beat them until the eggs are fluffy like this. Keep beating them. I'm going to take 3/4 cups of granulated sugar and add to the paste. Now add rest of the sugar and beat it for about 30 seconds more until the sugar is well mixed in the eggs. Next step is take 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's make the dry ingredients. You need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, cornstarch, you can use corn flour as well, 25 grams, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve it till you see no clumps. Now add the dry ingredients to the egg mixture slowly. Now I'll add rest of the mixture into the egg mixture. Our cake batter is almost ready. So the last step is you're gonna add oil 40 grams with water. Mix all the batter together and it's ready to be baked in the oven. You can bake it in 350 degrees Fahrenheit or maybe 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You can keep checking it if it's ready or not. While our cake is being baked in the oven, we are gonna prepare the mousse part. We're gonna take 1, or actually you can take 2 cups. It depends on how much cake you are making. If you're making a big cake, you will need more whipping cream. If you're making a small cake, you will need a small whipping cream. So in this case, I used 2 cups of whipping cream and added 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. I'm gonna beat them all together until our whipping cream is fluffy and it shows stiff peaks. Our next step is we're gonna prepare the gelatin mixture. I took 3 tablespoons of water and I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder. I'm gonna let it rest for at least 3 to 5 minutes until the gelatin blooms. Now as you can see, our gelatin is swelling up, which is good. Next step is I'm going to take 1 cup of mango pulp. You can take canned mango pulp or you can make pulp out of mangoes, but it should be 1 cup. Let it boil. After it boils a little bit, not too much, you are going to add 2 tablespoons of gelatin mixture in it and a little bit of cold mango pulp, and you're going to mix it all together for at least 5 to 7 minutes until the mango pulp mixture is set to room temperature. After it is set to room temperature, you're going to mix the mango pulp mixture into your prepared whipping cream mixture and mix it well all together. If it's not enough yellow color with mango pulp, you can always add food coloring in it. Our next step is I'm using this pan to set my dessert in. It's available everywhere. You can buy it online. So now I'm gonna put my mango mousse mixture on top of the cake part. Spread it evenly and nicely all over the cake. Now that our mixture is smooth, let's put it in fridge for at least 3 hours before we put the next layer on. This is the jelly mix I use. National is from my own country. You can use all other jelly mixers if you want to, but this is a really good one. It already has gelatin in it, mixed it. It's the and you're gonna take 2 cups of water and just pour the mixture in, and that's it, and let it boil until all the gelatin powder and the flavor is dissolved in it. And remember, it already has gelatin and flavor mixed of mango in it already. So now our whipping part is already set for 3 hours. I took it out from the fridge. I'm gonna put some real mangoes on top of it. Right now I'm using canned mangoes because these days mangoes are not that sweet in winter. So you're welcome to use any mango you want for decoration and however you want to decorate it with. So these are the mangoes. Now I forgot to shoot the jelly part of the mango to put it on top, but you can put the jello which you prepared on top of the mango mousse part, and let's set it in the fridge for about an hour or 2. So our mango mousse cake is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this mango mousse recipe, and do let me know how it was. It tastes really good and yummy. As you can see from inside, it set it up very nicely. It's a really nice dessert for your next party. Do try it and let me know. Leave a comment from where you're watching, and thank you so much for watching. And hit that subscribe button, like and share my recipes, and thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.